Do you want to know about free alternative to ChatGPT? If yes, then watch this video till the end because in this video I will show you one open source alternative. Hey guys, my name is Vlad and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for you watching my videos and thank you so much for your support. In today's video, I'm going to show you free alternative to ChatGPT. It is a tool that allows you to try almost every open source model absolutely free. Are you ready to explore this tool? If yes, then let's get started. The name of the tool is HuggingChat. Hugging Face Chat is a conversational AI model similar to ChatGPT, but with a strong focus on open source and transparency. It runs on top of powerful models like Llama, Mistral, deepseek, and many more. Unlike ChatGPT or Gemini, the models behind Hugging Face are open source. You can explore the code, fine-tune the models, or even deploy your own versions. It's a great alternative for those who care about privacy because there is no hidden data collection. Anyone can contribute, improve, or build upon existing models. Let's try Hugging Face Chat in action. Open the website huggingface.co and create an account there. After that, you will land on the page where you can select the model that you would like to try. For instance, it's deepseek R1 distill qwen, 32 billion parameters, so you can see all the details about the model. You can see the model's website in case if you want to know a bit more about the model. The interface is quite simple. If you ever use ChatGPT, you'll be able to use this interface as well. As I said, before you can start using Hugging Chat, you have to sign up. Okay, let's try our first prompt. I usually like to ask the model about the latest version of iPhone because it gives me possibility to understand how fresh is the data of this LLM. As you notice, I'm using DeepSeek model. It's a reasoning model, that's why it takes some time before I see their answer. If you want to see the thinking process, you can click on reasoning. And after about a minute, you'll get your answer. And as you could see, the current model that I'm using doesn't know about the latest version of iPhone. To fix this, we can use the search functionality. Simply click this search icon inside the chat, and now we can try again to find the latest version of iPhone. And as you could see, with the help of the search, we can find the latest version of iPhone. Perfect. Unfortunately, DeepSeek doesn't support image generation, so I cannot generate an image, but don't worry, we can change the model and generate the image with another model. Let's try. Let's back to the home page and then click on this settings icon. From the list of available models, you can select the one that can generate an image. For instance, we can select Llama and then click the New Chat button. After that, you will see that now you have more options in your chat box. Now you can upload the files, generate an image, and upload the images as well. I'm going to ask the model again about the latest version of iPhone, and let's see the result. And again, as you could see, Llama model as well doesn't know about the latest version of iPhone. It is not a big issue, but it's really good to know how fresh is the model. We always can utilize search option to find the correct answer. So let's try to generate an image by using this model. Simply write your prompt, generate an image. Keep in mind one thing. If you don't click image gen icon, the model won't generate for you an image. Click the icon and then write your prompt. For instance, generate an image of iPhone. And let's see for the result. And here we go, this is my image. As I said, you can select different models and select the best one for you. And probably for different tasks, it will be different models. If you click this plus icon, you will see a bunch of tools that you can use in the chat. For instance, you can select the tool and then click activate. And then you can use it in your chat. For instance, let's try Flux. It is an image generation AI. As you could see, after activation, I have this icon, Flux. Click it and then write your prompt. For instance, generate an image of developer on the round table. It could take some time, depend on the queue, but finally you will get your result. And as you could see, the image looks really, really realistic. At the left menu, you'll find a couple of more things. One of the things is assistants. Assistants is similar to custom GPTs inside ChatGPT. You can check them out and find if there's anything you like. If you can find any, you can create one. Okay, let me show you one example. I will select this assistant, GPT-5. There is the settings where you can see the custom instruction, and let's try some prompt. For instance, let's try this default prompt and see the result. This prompt about Python language, and as you could see, assistant generated for us the answer. In this instance, I won't evaluate the answer. I just want to demonstrate for you what is assistant and what you can do with it. As I mentioned earlier, depend on the model you choose. You could see additional functionality in the chat. Some model has vision recognition, some model has text recognition, so you can add your files and your images. I recommend you to play around and find the model depend on your needs. Okay, let's try the last model. This time I will try qwen. And as always, I will start with my favorite question about iPhone. As you could see, qwen knows information up to October 2023. It said that the latest version of iPhone is 15. Let's try to improve the answer with the search. And unfortunately, it still cannot give the answer about the latest version of iPhone. Let's try ask qwen to generate an image of Donald Trump. And unfortunately, instead of an image, I've got this. Don't worry, sometimes different LLM could produce really weird answers. So it's quite normal. Just adjust your prompt or maybe even settings and you will get a better answer. Okay, I'll stop it. Let's try one more time. Generate an image of USA president. And as you could see, qwen model is not capable to generate an image. And that's probably it. Please give it a try and share with me your feedback and comments below. If you will have any troubles, please let me know. I will try to help. That's it. And as you can see, this tool is quite good. Many different models. You can try all of them. You can experiment and find the one that suits you the best. If you like this video, please click like. If you don't like this video, it's okay. Please click like, but share with me your feedback in comments below. Subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and thank you so much for your support. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.